Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
Ain't my bitch back, that's why I put up with attitudes. Come get your bitch back, she fuck a Ruger, yeah that rapper do. Eye for an eye, you probably fucking mine, I can't be mad at you.
You wanna be like me so bad.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. We're there, about to run some errands on the road. Me and Francine. As I said before, we said that in our last vlog. Now this I start in our other vlog. And thing. So we just come up with the concept for the other thing for me and Francine and Mel. Think we're gonna continue it. You see me? We're gonna continue that one. And thing. And what else? The question and answer, me that go do it for that vlog about one next day me and I go sit down and do that as a video by itself instead of editing a vlog, you know? Clue, me run over a squirrel.
No.
But we're about to go up on the road, go run some errands as I said before.
What are we gonna do?
And
What are we gonna do?
go grab food. We forgot a supermarket.
Yeah, we do. You wanna make soup?
We not just drink some.
Yeah, but like for later in the week.
Yeah,
Get
nah, seafood.
vegetables.
Seafood, something I go do a little more. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we definitely are gonna run some errands and circle back with it. So I go and mad up on myself as we did for the vlog. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're out here without fear. So as you know, reach back at the supper place, the rap place. Then I pick up him car. I'm showing him car right now. You see me? I'm gonna name that flag here my new Tesla. Just so you watch it. You see me? Mad move. Thumbnail. But yeah, car done wrap. It says slime. You see me? This is the only green Tesla in a Fort Lauderdale. So I'm gonna look out for it. A slime won't seem there right there. And then we just wrap the car here. Boy, I'm gonna wrap my car again, but I don't know yet. I'm not sure. See there over there, so Francine in the car too, you know. I'm gonna go see what she do. Hey baby, what are you doing? What you watching?
Instagram.
I'm gonna line up.
You won't let me.
Yeah?
You don't let me.
Make you line me up for real?
Yeah.
You gonna line me up for good and fuck it up?
Yeah.
You sure?
I don't have the thing though.
You sure?
The
scissors and comb.
No. I can't do that. I'll definitely mess it
like
up.
comb it and snip.
Oh, you mean your beard?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that.
I joke, me make careful do my face also. Oh, I forgot to tell you, she do my nails, you know. She buy the little kit thing and do my nails, you know.
I still don't know what to do to mine.
I'm soon do some relationship shit for y'all. But first, you got some errands to run on the road. You know, doing grown-up stuff that y'all don't see on the vlog. You know? But we have some good news. Mel is going to be here for a while. So, I go continue some of the series them. So that's good news to the vlog, you see me? So we can look out for them thing there soon. Tomorrow for sure I'm gonna link up with Mel. I help her shoot a music video for her song. So we can look out for music from Mel too. And thing. What you wanna do after this? You wanna go by a little lake? Or you wanna go
I'm hungry.
again? You flinch a while ago, what do you feel like?
I flinched?
You go so yeah guys, so we're probably gonna get some food. I don't know. Cook
Cook what?
salmon. Salmon. You want some wings?
I don't know what I want. Pizza.
Pizza and wings.
You're gonna make pizza?
No, bugging. Look how much pizza shop there. Right by thing there. Slime out. I think I'm gonna name the vlog, yeah, my new car. Make people go watch it. So then things say, yeah. So then things say, I'm my car, and click the video for go watch it. But slime, it looks sick in a green. I first green Tesla highlighter green. Slime, your Tesla look like a highlighter. When you watch a vlog, you're gonna hear this. Your Tesla look like a highlighter. One battery highlighter, you know? But yeah, when you go and mother put yourself and things soon go back. I try to catch a little clippings. I make Francine catch a little clippings. But when you drive, go back to see slime car. I soon wrap mine, you know, I like my baby, you know. Let me show you my baby. I like it same way. Let me show you my baby. Yeah, what me I gonna do with it? I'm gonna put a design right there, so you wanna see? I'm gonna put a design right there, so I'm gonna take off the RT stripe right there, so I'm gonna put on a black cover right there, so you wanna see the red lighter show. This is gonna be black. It's gonna match the top, and I'm gonna strip off that piece, so it's gonna look way different when you see it again. You see me? Probably them. I'm gonna make them do the wrapping for me, but yeah. So my baby, I love it. See you here. Love it.
What are we gonna do?
What you wanna do? Get food? Alright guys, so we gonna get food. So journey with me as we do it for the vlog. So right now, no slime I drive it, you know, the slime, you know. It drive come around by itself. Lord clot! Step on the brakes. You just look weird on the camera, dog, don't you? All the brakes for them.
The brake pad, I definitely get them.
You have to go get it more, yeah, more.
Paint up to the
For match that. So vlog girl, see car there. He did over here saying, no, should I get a better look? Speed up! Jesus! What? We don't go fast, people. We are doing speed limit. Let me see if we can catch up so we can see it. Wanna hear my engine? Hey! Alright. Catch your slime. If my phone fly to you now, the fuck it out, I'm gonna buy it back. Catch your slime, wanna see it? Green out. Speed up! Speed up! Speed up! What? No matter. So, vlog girl. No, I do it over. So, we just followed off our road. Well, not just. We did there consume some food. And now we're there watch a movie and thing.
51st dates.
Yeah. Tomorrow me and Mel I go on the road to shoot some content for she. So I can look out for that on Mel page. And yeah, me and Francine just there a bill. More content coming soon, yeah. And the part 2 for me and Francine and Mel coming too. It's coming pretty soon.
Stay tuned.
Really soon. You see me? So what's me for telling me? If you tell her something else, I remember now. Don't remember me telling you in the next vlog. But big up on yourself, you know.
Good night.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.